Today I'm going to show how to tell if your gas rings are burned out in your bolt and how to replace the gas rings. Okay, to tell if your gas rings are burned out, pull the bolt all the way ahead and rest the whole carrier on the face of the bolt. If it drops down over the carrier's weight like that, it means the gas rings need to be replaced. Take the carrier apart, push your firing pin retaining pin out, drop the firing pin, turn your cam pin, pull that straight out, and pull your bolt out. To remove the gas rings, just use a box cutter. Go into one of the separations in the gas ring and move it out, and then just peel it off all the way around like that, and do that with all three of them. To reinstall the new gas rings, just put one side in, chase it around until it's on. Roughly try to separate these separations so they're not all lined up. Just separate them by hand. Until you have them all in place. Then put your bolt back in. Cam pin back in and turn. Firing pin back in. And retaining pin. And now to show you how that these gas rings are good, when you rest it on its face like that, the carrier is held up under the friction of the gas ring, so it doesn't fall down over its own weight.